Hey guys, welcome to
Crafty Kids channel.
And if you already know me, welcome back. I'm Mila, and today I will be teaching you how to make this super cool putty slime. And you only need 2 ingredients to make it. Anyway, let's get started. So the things you will need today are shampoo. I will be using Love Beauty and Planet. You will also need cornstarch. And you can also add food coloring. This is optional. You will also need a bowl and a mixing utensil. I will be using a plastic spoon. So you are going to start off by putting cornstarch in a bowl. I did about 1/4 cup. You can double or triple this recipe until it meets what you would like. After you do cornstarch, you are going to add your shampoo. Now, to start off, I did about 20 squirts of shampoo. After adding all the shampoo, you're just going to mix it until it starts coming together. I'm going to add a little bit more shampoo since this consistency is not sticky enough, and then I'm going to mix this a little bit more. So after getting this to a pretty good consistency, I'm going to add a little bit of red food dye. I added about 2 squirts and then mixed it to get a cute pink color. So after mixing in the food coloring, I noticed that the consistency was pretty sticky, so I'm going to add a little bit more cornstarch. I added about 1.5 teaspoons. After adding in the cornstarch, I'm just going to mix this a little bit more until it's the right consistency. After mixing in the cornstarch, I decided to feel the consistency with my fingers. And I did, and it was still super sticky. Since it was still sticky, I added some more cornstarch to it. After I added this cornstarch, I mixed this up to get to the right consistency. I started playing with it before I mixed in all of the cornstarch, so that way I could just add more if I needed without having to use any extra. So when I started playing with this, I grabbed all of it and just started moving it around. It was still pretty sticky, but I knew if I played with it long enough, it would get to the right consistency. I moved the putty onto the piece of paper and started kneading it gently. I had to rinse my hands because there was a lot of stuff on them, but when I came back, it was perfect. And I just kept playing with it. And it turned out to be super good. This was my first time trying it, and I'm super happy with the results. So as you guys can see, this putty slime was super easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click that like button. If you made this, comment down below. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to
Crafty Kids channel.
Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!